Welcome back, everyone. We're currently heading to AutoZone and Spencer's house so we can give this old Mazda a wash that it has needed for a long time. This is my daily. I probably haven't washed it in at least over a year now, which is terrible. Right-hand drive Evo 4 at AutoZone. Come back to the car after getting what I need from AutoZone, and dude's all the way in the back. So like I said, this car is my daily. I have had it for a while, and I definitely haven't washed it in at least over a year. It's probably pushing closer to 2 years. Right now, I just have Harbor Freight pressure washer and some Chemical Guys products, I believe is what it is. I've been sitting on this stuff for like years. Again, haven't washed the car in a while. We're just gonna walk around it, see how dirty it is, and then get to washing. As you can see, the car is, extremely filthy. I wish the sun was out a little bit more. You could actually see how dirty it is. And the roof has a massive paint failure, which I guess we will get to that when the time comes. But I'm trying to get angles of how dirty the car actually is. Yeah. Like I said, it's my daily. So the wheels are supposed to be silver, as you can see. And those are definitely not silver. So hopefully a little bit of this wheel cleaner product and this pressure washer will help do the trick. We will see. Also, this is what we picked up at AutoZone for the headlights. They pretty rough shape, so we'll see if this Turtle Wax headlight restorer can fix this up, at least temporarily. Try to get it super foamy. Nothing but soap. Let's see. That should be enough. After doing like 2 swipes of the roof, I've decided I just need to spray it down one more time and soap it down one more time. There's just like way too much dirt getting on the mitt, and I don't want to like completely destroy my paint. You know, we're trying to bring it back, not destroy it, so yeah. So where I'm at right now, I pre-soaked it, and I'm shooting more soap on it than now wipe it down. But y'all already saw me do it the first time, so I'm not gonna make y'all watch again. But maybe we'll get back to y'all when we start doing the wheels. Probably the wheels, yeah. So what I've done so far is hand wash the entire car. Now I'm getting to the wheels, which I'm using this Chemical Guys wheel cleaner, which, like I said, I've had it for a while. We'll see how it does. Oop. Hold on, gotta open the bottle. It says spray it on, only let it sit for a few minutes, don't let it dry, yada yada yada. I think like that dude in blue has like a similar color wheel cleaner too. Or maybe, I don't know, I think his changes the color or something like that when it's cleaning. I'm not like a wheel cleaner guy. I'm just gonna douse the living crap out of it in wheel cleaner and hope it's easy to clean. It smells good, it smells like bubble gums. Honestly, I don't see it doing much, but we'll start wiping it down, I guess. I don't know if this is part of the directions, but I want to. I'll get these things shining. This is the only thing I have to clean, so hopefully I'm not destroying this microfiber. So I am just on the last wheel now. Gotta clean this one still, but that one's clean, and the two wheels on this side are clean. We've got a slight drizzle. The sun's also coming down. And just like that, all the wheels are clean. The car is clean. Unfortunately, it is a little late and it is drizzling right now, so we're not going to get to the headlight kit today, but we are going to do that tomorrow, because I can do that at my apartment after work. Just need to get my dog, and we'll pick up this video tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next day. There's a spider on the car. A lot of dirt too. I've only driven it back here and then to work and back today, and it's already pretty dirty again. But we are going to get to these headlights today. Again, this is the Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer. It says something like you can just use the compound, and if the lenses look better, you can stop there. But we're just gonna do the whole thing. We're gonna do, right now we already washed the headlights. We're going to apply lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth, rub over the entire lens using firm pressure, buff clean with terry cloth. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So that's after the first pass of the #1 green pad. I'm gonna do it one more time and then get like a close-up, and then we'll keep going. Alright guys, so that is what the headlight looks like after buffing it with the #1 pad in that kit. That is after using pad #2. I see one problem with this kit already. They should give you 2 pads each, you know, because this is what a new one looks like. And it says, you know, press firmly. It's like a Scotch-Brite pad. If you've ever used one of those, they just start falling apart. So it'd be nice to have another one, because I'd like to continue, you know, doing the #2, but there's just nothing left of this foam pad. So I gotta jump to number 3 and then go to number 4, and we'll see how it turns out. These are the lights after using the number 4 pad. They don't look the best so far, but I guess I still need to have faith in this stuff. I still have to use the lens clarifying compound again, and then I have to let it dry to a haze, buff it with a cloth, and then there's like a sealer cloth or something like that. Just wiped off the compound. Unfortunately, the headlights still look pretty beat. But here's a close-up of what the lenses are looking like. Unfortunately, they're not all that yellow anymore, but they still are pretty clear. This one's still a little yellow. I think the headlights are just pretty much done. I just need new headlights, unfortunately, but there's still a little hope. We still have this lens base coat wipe, and we also still have the lens sealing wipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that going real quick. Says use the gloves. I'm supposed to use the gloves. Oh, I forgot to use the gloves. Oh man. I was supposed to use the gloves, the package included with these wipes, but I guess it's all right. My fingers don't burn, so it can't be that bad. Am I right? Alright guys, so this is the finished product on the Turtle Wax headlight restoration kit. To be honest, I feel like my headlights were a little too far gone for this DIY hand style kit. But with that being said, the car is looking a lot more spiffy than it did. The wheels make a huge difference being clean. I really want to fix the tint. I want to do so much stuff to this car. The roof needs to be fixed. That's a big thing. If you guys want to see more of this car, please let me know, and I will be more motivated to continue filming, continue making videos. With that being said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe, and peace out.